Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing these really pretty nails. I think this is like one of my favorite sets that I've done. So anyways, I have these Ejuibas tips glued on, and I'm just taking my manicure scissors and cutting them. And as you can see in this clip, I cut them really bad, but I just cut them and shaped them up off camera. So now I'm using my Mini Secret acrylic system. I'm just using clear, and I'm also using Cover Pink for the nail plate color. So you've seen me do French tip just about a million times, so nothing new here. We're basically forming the very tip of the French tip first, and then we go in with our cuticle bead. So we're just shaping it, and because our nails are stiletto, we really want the basically the French smile line to be a little bit more narrow and a little bit more triangular. So you definitely want the nails to be thick enough so like your file will be able to get over there and it's not like flush with the nail, if that makes sense. So now I'm going in with the cuticle bead and making sure it is not on the skin. I'm wiping around my cuticles and, you know, making sure it's super clean and smooth application. And after we're done with our application and make sure it's dry, I'm going in with my hand file and I'm basically just crisping up the edges. And also, because these nails are going to be clear, I'm taking the belly of my file like so, and I'm just cleaning up anything, any pink acrylic that got on the tip, and making sure it's super duper clean. But then after I took my buffer, I didn't show you guys, but I took my buffer to make sure like some of the scratches were out. Anyways, I'm taking my Afifa what is this, foil transfer glue. So I'm just adding some specks sporadically on the tip, and some of them ended up looking like polka dots, so I just taking my brush and feathering them out so they look natural. So now I'm taking my transfer paper and foil, and I'm using gold and rose gold, and that's how it looks, really nice. And my sister brought it to my attention that some Instagram photos, like the gold flakes look layered, and I thought those looked pretty sick, so I wanted to replicate that, even though I don't have the same type of foil that they use. So I wanted to try it with this foil paper. So I'm basically adding a little bit of the foil, and then I'm encapsulating it like halfway. And then once that's all dry and good to go, I'm reapplying some glue in some of the sparse areas, and then encapsulating it one more time. Anyways, I shaped and filed off camera, so now we're going to do top coat, and I'm using my Makartt top coat as always. And look at that reveal. I loved the way these nails came out. Like, I think this is my favorite set. I think this would be perfect for weddings, prom. I know that we have prom coming up, but I'm sure we're probably not going to be able to participate, but that's okay because our nails are going to be looking bomb anyway. Period. Anyways, I cannot stop staring at this set. Anyways, I'm going to cure it for like 30 seconds, and then I'm going on the underside and adding some top coat there too, just so it looks crystal clear. And then we're going to go ahead and cure that for another 30 seconds. So now I'm taking my Blossom Strawberry Cuticle Oil and going around all the cuticles. And You want to make sure that you are not like rubbing this into the nail part. You just want to rub it into the skin because it makes it look weird for pictures. So this is how the nails came out. They look amazing. Comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.